Hi my dear students, good morning everybody. Children, in the first class I have discussed about how to compare the large numbers. Now the same thing we are going to do in this class, how to compare the large numbers. The rules also I have told you. Once again I am going to tell you that rules because we have to in 1.3 exercise we have to do the comparison of large numbers. Now let's see how to compare the large numbers. Now comparison of large numbers. Comparison of large numbers. Now the first case, in the first case, rule number 1. Rule 1 is if the number of digits are not same. If unequal number of digits are there, then how to compare the numbers? Now if the digits are not same, the number of digits are not same, then the number with more digits is greater. Now, if the number of digits are not same, suppose 5 digits and 6 digit number. One number is 5 digit number and other number is 6 digit number. Of course, the 6 digit, the number of digits is more in 6 digit number. So, of course, the 6 digit number will be greater than the 5 digit number. Now, let's see the example for that. Example is 985327 and 28590. These two numbers we have to compare. These two numbers. So first what we have to do? So before comparing two numbers or many numbers, what we have to do is we have to count the number of digits. Now let's count the number of digits here. See the first number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 6 digit number and the next number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5 digit number. So we have seen that the number with more digit is greater than the number with less number of digits. Now here you see the first number has 6 digits. So this first number, that is 9,85,327 is greater than 28,590 because in 28,590 there are only 5 digits. In the first number there are 6 digits. So that is greater. So this is the rule 1. So what is rule 1? Then if the number of digits are not equal, the number with more digit is greater than the number with less number of digits. Okay. Now second rule. Now the second rule is if rule number 2, if the number of digits are same. If the number of digits are same, suppose 2 6 digits numbers are given, then how to compare the numbers? If number of digits are same, then what to do? I have told you the rule in the first class, that is we have to compare the leftmost digit or left extreme digit we have to compare. left side what is the biggest digit, that number will be the greater number. See the example, that is 285909 and 893572. See here, you count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 6-digit number, and count the number of digits here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, both are 6-digit numbers. Here the number of digits are same. Now how to compare these two numbers? We have to find which is greater and which is smaller. For this we have to see the left extreme. So this is the right side and it is the left side. So this is the right extreme number. So it is the left extreme digit. So here this is the right extreme digit and it is the left extreme digit. Now we have to compare the left extreme digits of both the numbers. See, in the left extreme, in the first number it is the digit 2. The digit is 2, and here in the second number the left extreme is number 8. The digit 8. Now see which digit is greater. Of course 8 is greater than 2. 8 is greater than 2. Then which number will be greater? Then 8. Starting from 8, which number comes? That number will be the greater number. That is here, what is the number? 8,93,572 is greater than 2,85,909. So here 8,93,572 is greater than 2,85,909. So if the number of digits are same, what we have to do? We have to compare the left extreme digits. So in the left extreme digit, which digit is greater, and that number will be the greater number. Okay. Now we move to the next rule. So the second rule is, if the number of digits are same, then what is the rule? Compare the left extreme digits. Compare the left extreme digit. In the left extreme digit, which is the greater digit, that number will be the greater number. Okay. Now, next rule is rule number 3. Rule number 3, if the number of digits are same, and the left extreme digits are same. Left extreme digits are same. Now see children, in the third case, the number of digits will be same. Okay. Then what we have to do? We have to compare the left extreme digits of both the numbers. Now see, again these left extreme digits are also same. What should we do? Then in that case we have to move to the next digit. Okay, from the left extreme digit we have to move to the next digit and compare those two digits, and which digit is greater, that number will be the greater number, right? Let's see the example for that. That is, write the number and see, here you count the digits. These two numbers you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 7-digit number. 7 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are there. Now see the next number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are there. Then how will you read these numbers? Ones, tens, hundred, put a comma. And then thousand, 10,000, comma. Then lakh, 10 lakh. Here also ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Now you see 96 lakh 45,321 and 92 lakh 54,932. Both the numbers we have to compare. Now we have counted the digits. There are equal number of digits. 6 digits are there in both the numbers. Now what we have to do is we have to compare the left extreme digits. That is, here the left extreme digits are 9 and 9. Both are same. Now in this case we have to move to the next digit. What is the next digit here? 6. And what is the next digit here? 2. So 6 is greater than 2. So of course where 6 comes, that number will be the greater number. That is 96 lakh 45,321 is greater than 92 lakh 54,932. Right? So this is the next rule. If the number of digits are same and the left extreme digits are same, what we have to do? Now children, another rule is again the left extremes are same, 9 and 9. Again if it is 6 and here also it is 6, then how to compare the numbers? Next case. Now here also left extremes are same and the next digit we move to the next digit, they are also same. Then in this case what we have to do is again we have to move to the next digit. See here 4 and here it is 5. We have to compare this 4 and 5. Which is greater? 5 is greater. Then in that case this number 96 lakh 54,932 will be greater than 96 lakh 45,321. Okay children. Now we have to write if more numbers are given, more than 2 numbers are given, then how to compare the numbers. Let's see.